Hello, I'm Angel Six Fingers, and today I'm going to introduce you to Digital Legacy, the ultimate application to securely register, organize, and plan all your digital assets in one place. Digital Legacy is going to help you organize all that scattered information that only you control to make it much more accessible in case something happens to you. What will you find inside the application? A place for all your vital information. Digital Legacy will allow you to centralize all those essential data from digital bank accounts, domains, websites, funds, brokers, to important documents like insurance policies or deeds of your business or home. Everything in one place, accessible with just a few clicks. The platform is simple and customizable. The application is very intuitive and very easy to use. Once all of this asset information is inputted, you have the ability to view it at a glance, ensuring that you always locate exactly what you require when you need it. Do you want to share control? Do you want to share information with family members or trusted individuals? Digital Legacy will enable you to do it in a secure and controlled manner with knowledge of who has access and monitoring the activity. The greatest advantage is that you can revoke access at any given time. At Digital Legacy, we are dedicated to ensuring security. Your data is encrypted end-to-end, meaning only you can have the encryption keys, guaranteeing that no one else, not even us, Digital Legacy, can access your information. How do we know you are okay? With the Life Check feature, we can periodically confirm your status. If something happens to you and you don't respond, Proof of Life will trigger an alert lasting 15 days. If you do not respond within the application, we will reach out to the beneficiaries to confirm that you are okay and that your information is still relevant and up to date. Our technology is very advanced and we never stop updating it. We are always in touch with updates. In the near future, we will also broaden the technology to accomplish a decentralized network, guaranteeing security to ensure that you always have access to your data. Now and in the future, our technology adapts and improves continuously, providing a much more secure solution. Now that you know all these amazing advantages of Digital Legacy, let me accompany you and guide you step by step through the platform. Join me. The initial step we need to take is to register, which we can accomplish at no cost through this link or gain entry to the platform if we already possess a user. One password. Now we will proceed to edit profile. It is crucial to ensure that all the data provided is accurate and genuine, as it will need to be verified when transferring information to the beneficiary. Finally, we save the changes made to the profile. Now, in the event that we access the profile, we can observe that all of the data is encrypted in such a manner that we will not be able to view the data unless we click on the eye icon. So we have the option to hide them or view them. The subsequent step, the second step, involves registering a beneficiary. Beneficiary is the individual you will authorize from this moment onward to have access to the patrimonial information moving forward.